Hey, my loves, it's your favorite channel, Lifestyle Bliss. And let's be real, we all want to look effortlessly chic, right? But sometimes, choosing between a more relaxed, casual vibe and a timeless, classic look can feel like a fashion dilemma. Don't worry, boo, we've got you. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the top 5 fashion trends that are absolutely killing it right now. And the best part? These trends are so versatile, you can rock them, whether you're all about that casual chic life or you're a die-hard classic chic queen. Get ready to take notes, because I'm spilling all the tea on how to make these trends work for your unique style, so you can step out, looking and feeling your absolute best. First up, let's talk about a piece that deserves a permanent spot in your wardrobe, the bold blazer. We're talking about blazers with personality. Think vibrant colors, bold prints, and interesting textures. Throwing on a bold blazer is the easiest way to instantly elevate your everyday look. That's where the bold blazer comes in. Your outfit goes from basic to fabulous. Trust me, a bold blazer is a power move, no matter how you style it. Alright, let's talk about the easiest way to transform any outfit from drab to fab. Statement accessories, baby. And trust me, when it comes to accessories, more is more. This is your chance to let your personality shine through and really have fun with your look. For my casual chic girls, think chunky gold hoops, layered necklaces, and stacks of colourful bracelets. A bold belt can cinch in your waist and add a pop of colour to a simple dress, while a statement bag, like a bright tote or a cool crossbody, can instantly elevate your everyday uniform. And don't forget about shoes. A pair of chunky trainers with interesting details, like metallic accents or animal print, can take your look from 0 to 100 real quick. Now, my classic chic ladies, I know you love your timeless pieces, and that's why investing in high-quality statement accessories is key. Think a classic pair of pearl earrings, a delicate gold chain, or a beautiful silk scarf. A structured handbag in a neutral color, like black or beige, is a must-have for any classic chic wardrobe. And a pair of elegant heels, like pointed toe pumps or sleek ankle boots, will always elevate your look. And don't underestimate the power of a statement watch. It's both practical and chic. Remember, ladies, statement accessories are all about adding those finishing touches that really make your outfit pop. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Chapter 3. Monochrome Magic. Effortless chic, from head to toe. Let's talk about a trend that's as chic as it is easy to wear. Monochrome, baby. Now, don't let the word monochrome scare you. It doesn't have to be boring. It's all about creating a sleek and sophisticated look by sticking to one color palette. For my casual chic girls, monochrome is all about effortless cool. Think head-to-toe black, white or grey, and don't be afraid to play with different textures and shades within the same colour family. For example, you could pair a black leather jacket with black skinny jeans and a black graphic tee. Or you could try a white oversized sweater with white wide-leg trousers and white trainers. The key is to keep it simple and let the monochrome palette do the talking. Now for my classic chic queens. Monochrome is the epitome of elegance. Think tailored silhouettes, luxurious fabrics, and timeless hues like beige, camel, and navy. A head-to-toe beige look is always a good idea, and you can easily dress it up or down depending on the occasion. For a more casual take, try pairing a beige cashmere sweater with beige tailored trousers and white trainers. For a more dressed-up look, opt for a beige silk blouse, beige wide-leg trousers and nude heels. And don't forget to accessorize with gold jewellery for a touch of glamour. No matter your style, monochrome is a trend that's both chic and easy to wear. So why not give it a try? Chapter 4. Tailored Trousers. From desk to dinner. Okay, my loves, let's talk about a piece that deserves a standing ovation. Tailored trousers. Forget those frumpy, ill-fitting trousers that make you feel like you're stuck in a fashion time warp. We're talking about trousers that are tailored to perfection, accentuating your curves in all the right places and making you feel like the confident queen you are. Now, for my casual chic girls, tailored trousers are all about effortless cool. I'm talking about those high-waisted, wide-leg trousers that make your legs look a mile long. Pair them with a simple crop top, a graphic tee, or even a slouchy sweater for a look that's both comfy and chic. And don't be afraid to experiment with different colours and prints. A bold floral print or a vibrant stripe can add a touch of personality to your look. And for shoes, sneakers, sandals, heels, the possibilities are endless. Now, for my classic chic ladies, tailored trousers are a staple in your wardrobe. But let's elevate them even further, shall we? Think luxurious fabrics like silk, satin, or even velvet. A pair of high-waisted, wide-leg trousers in a rich jewel tone, like emerald green or sapphire blue, is the epitome of sophistication. Pair them with a silk blouse, a fitted blazer, and your favorite heels for a look that's both powerful and elegant. And for a more casual take, try pairing your tailored trousers with a cashmere sweater and loafers. Trust me, tailored trousers are a wardrobe essential that you'll reach for again and again. Chapter 5. The Art of Layering, Mastering Style in Every Season. All right, loves, let's talk about a styling technique that's essential for every fashionista, no matter your personal style. Layering. Now, I know what you're thinking. Layering? Isn't that just a way to stay warm in the colder months? But trust me, layering is so much more than that. It's about adding dimension, texture, and interest to your outfits, no matter the season. For my casual chic girls, layering is all about effortless cool. Think oversized denim jackets, layered over hoodies, leather jackets over graphic tees, and cardigans over slip dresses. And don't be afraid to play with different lengths and textures. A cropped sweater, layered over a flowy maxi dress, creates a cool and unexpected silhouette, while a chunky knit cardigan layered over a mini skirt and tights adds a touch of grunge to your look. Now, for my classic chic ladies, layering is all about creating a sense of sophistication and polish. Think tailored blazers layered over turtlenecks, trench coats over dresses, and cashmere cardigans over silk blouses. A classic trench coat layered over a midi dress and heels is always a chic and effortless look, while a blazer layered over a turtleneck and tailored trousers is perfect for the office. And for a more casual take, try layering a cashmere cardigan over a button-down shirt and jeans. No matter your style, layering is a key styling technique that can elevate your looks and help you transition your wardrobe from season to season. So get creative and have fun with it. There you have it, my loves. 5 amazing fashion trends that you can totally rock, whether your heart beats for casual chic or classic chic. Remember, it's all about finding what makes you feel confident and expressing your unique personality through your style. So, tell me in the comments, Which trend are you most excited to try? Are you team bold blazers, or are you all about those statement accessories? Let's chat in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you loved it. Subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, bless your hearts and stay stylish.